Hey guys, now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at cases for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6. And we're taking a look at wallet cases. So if you're looking for a wallet case that's going to look great, protect your phone, smell good too, then you're going to want to watch this video. We're going to take a look at Shieldon's leather cases, which we have been reviewing for a very long time on the channel. And they're absolutely fantastic. They're durable. And these are excellent to get. So let's check them out. Now, the Shieldon cases are really nice cases that are quality made. Fantastic stitching going all the way around, no loose threads whatsoever. Love the fact that you have kind of like a stylus holder here built in, which is important to me. It doesn't take up a lot of room, and I like that that's there, very discreet. And the magnet on this thing is crazy. This is like Spider-Man, like wall climbing, powerful. Check this out. That took force to open up. I like that. I like the fact that that is so grippy that it's holding things in its place that strongly. Leather cases, we're going to go ahead and try to pull this off if I can. Not, I'll just leave it on and we'll just snug it over here somewhat. You know what? I got a little clipper here that we can clip that off. And we'll see. Yeah. We'll take this off so that you guys can get it on the case right there really good. So it has an internal protective polycarbonate case, has wallet, again, where you can put all your cards. It also is an RFID blocking wallet, which is important. So if someone gets close to you, they can't snag your credentials. And I love that it has kind of like a little place right there for cash for additional cards. Now, all of these look excellent. They send you this really nice little card talking about their products. And again, here's this other one. I don't know which one I like the most. I made like this color and this color because I'm kind of partial to black and I love this color as well, although the maroon is pretty nice. But all these cases are going to be super durable. They wear incredibly well, right? So we've had these for years on our products. And again, if you're looking for a wallet case, this is the place to get. This is definitely it. So I'm going to take my Fold 6, slap it in just like that. And then watch this. We'll go ahead and close it. And that's what we're talking about. We're talking about really great protection. Camera lens, notice that. That's really good camera lens protection. Don't have to worry about anything there. Stylus would go here. And it doesn't add weight. It doesn't feel like it adds any weight, substantial weight to your phone. And again, you could have it where you have your phone right here, right? Or what you could do is you can open up, right? And I'm sure like a lot of you kind of like propping your phone up. If you want to have it like this too, you can do that. It's going to hold it up. You know, the case is, it's almost like having a third leg. Not that I know what having a third leg would be like, but it can be. And if we want to see if this supports wireless charging, let's check it out. We'll see if it does. So we're going to go ahead and power this up and see if there it goes. Supports wireless charging too. So guys, these are the Shieldon cases. Highly recommend them. They are durable, they're leather, they smell great, they feel great, they last a long time. They basically give your Fold great protection. They allow you to carry your credit cards with you, as well as some cash, especially those of you who use your phone like if it was, again, your wallet or your purse. Great products. Make sure you check them out.